But for all that and more, we do have with us Sacchitanand Uttekar, who's joining in for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, your thoughts on the recovery that we've seen from the lows? Is it sustainable? We have the weekly options expiry today. Could there be case for some more short covering, or do you think this is just a flash in the pan?
Good morning, Mangalam, and good morning, Nigel. I think the major part of the move has already been unlocked. We don't see Nifty, collapsing right now. And even if you look at the Bank Nifty performance, which was, on the outperformance side, I think that particular outperformance may continue. It has already managed to sustain above its critical support zone of around 17,050. So we don't see, Nifty, closing today's session below the same. So this particular support should hold on. And on the higher side, we don't expect it to, flare up above 17,200, 17,250 mark. I think that particular resistance will hold throughout the day. So somewhere close to 17,150 is the trajectory that we are looking at when it comes to expiry. A very similar case in Bank Nifty, until unless we don't see it swinging below the 29,900 mark, there may not be any fresh weakness. But on the higher side, once it starts, sustaining about that 20-day exponential moving average, which is placed somewhere close to 40,200, probably we may see some more, flaring up towards 40,300. But I think that will be a good level to book some profits there. And probably the expiry is going to shape up somewhere close to 40,200 or below that. So right now, I think the reward to risk on the long side is not that sweet to deploy any fresh trades when it comes to index. But I think this will be a very good stock-specific session wherein long-short opportunities are still available.
Okay, so give us some of those opportunities then.
Nigel, I think DLF is one particular counter which we have recommended to our clients. If you look at the recent breakout, post that we have seen 3 days of a consolidation. And on the daily chart, this looks like a rising 3 formation. The setup is expected to outperform, and we see this particular price action to extend towards 380 zone during the day itself. So long positions are recommended when it comes to DLF. The stop loss from here on should be placed at around 368. On the short side, if you look at the performance of Bank Nifty and if you compare it with SBI, clearly SBI is still underperforming. What we have observed here is on the daily scale, it is exhibiting a bearish pennant kind of formation. On the 60 minutes chart yesterday, we saw a breakdown from this particular formation. The pullback is again giving us an opportunity to create fresh short positions when it comes to SBI. The stop loss should be placed at around 527 on the higher side, and positionally we are expecting a swing back to 500.
All right, Sachi, thanks a lot for joining in and giving us your views on individual stocks. Let's shift focus to our special segment.